Welcome to another 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the largest hands-on RV training academy in America. Hey, before we get to the video, which I know this is the reason why you're here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss anything. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. Now, back to our Tech Tip Tuesday. Hey, have you ever had a situation where your electric slide out wouldn't come in? Well, we're going to show you a rescue, how to actually perform a rescue on electric slide out through frame. I'm here with Brian Henson over at the National RV Training Academy. So let's go ahead and set the situation, Brian. We have a situation where someone is out and their slide's not coming in, and for whatever reason, whether it's the motor or the batteries are dead or whatever, they need to get the slide in so they can get out. What are the steps?
All right, first of all, we're going to need a 5/8 deep well socket. We're going to need several pieces of extension, and then we're going to need a 3/8 ratchet.
So it look like 2.5 feet at least.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Then on the outside, opposite your slide, you're going to have, is where the motor is. On that side, you should have a hole in the J-wrap, and you should have a hole in the frame. So you'd slide that through. It's easier now because you can see what you're doing, but you got to get hold of that nut with that socket, and then you can actually start applying pressure to this, and you can actually roll your slide back in.
So how long will it take manually to sit there and spin this?
Well, with not any weight on this frame here, you're looking at probably 10 to 15 minutes to be able to actually do that.
Yeah, so it's going to be a second to get that in.
It's not something quick and easy, but if you have the stuff, it doesn't take as long as everybody thinks it does.
All right, so again, it's always on the opposite side of the slide that's affected.
Yes, sir.
And this is an electric through frame slide. And we're going to have to use a manual because we can't come in, with a drill.
Preferably, if you do use a drill, go slow and low on it so it doesn't tear anything else up. But right now, the problem that we've got is that we've got a bad motor on it. It still attaches to the screw drive that actually operates it in and out.
All right, so much better than trying to push on that thing or, cut whatever. Electric through frame, get on the opposite side. And what was the socket dimensions again?
5/8.
5/8. 2-foot extension, 2.5-foot extension, because not only do you got to get past the frame, you got to get past the wall of the RV itself. All right, so let's say the situation is their battery's dead and they have electric landing gear.
Yes,
Okay. So what are the steps and, how do we get that up?
Well, the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get to the jack. It's usually up underneath the J-wrap between the frame and the floor.
Floor. Here's the outriggers of the RV.
Right. Yeah, it's not going to be as easy as you think it is, but you just take a 3/8 ratchet, you take the cover off, and it is a 3/8 drive, fits down in, and you put it the way you need to, and you got to just work it back and forth, but it's not as easy.
No socket.
Nope.
You're just using the ratchet.
Yes, sir.
All right. And you sit there and go for 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, at least. Yeah, it's a half a week worth of work.
Yeah, and so it's, again, it is a rescue. It is something to do, but before you do all that, make sure you got battery voltage. If you don't have battery voltage, that's what you're checking for first. But in the absolute emergency, trying to get out of there, it's going to take some time.
Yes, sir.
There's your tech tip. All right, before you get to the bloopers, which is why you're here in the first place, the RV industry needs thousands of RV technicians and inspectors, and now is the perfect time to do that. If you want to make more money or have more control over your time, go ahead and click the link below. Or if you just want to learn how to fix your own RV, got something for you there. Head over to rvtechcourse.com and get started today. Now for the reason that you're out there in the video, roll the bloopers.
It's hilarious. Oh, I didn't see that. I'm sitting back here going, what is he doing? Everybody's laughing.
Hey.
Did you point it?
Hey, this week we're going to go ahead and cover. Real close to me. Yeah, I could just talk like this. Hey, I'm here with Brian Henson over the National RV Training Academy, and we're going to go over pulling in your slide out. See that again.